Alright, I'm up late. We're gonna do some power hour trading. So far I'm up 1750 on TAOP. And let's see if we can find some more trades. So it seems TAOP is like the strongest stock right now. Rito also moved, but pre-market it's just been fading all day. But yeah, TAOP 93 million shares of volume, and looks like it's been having some pretty big like swings in the candles. It's like hella volatile. All right, so right now it's looking um yeah, like it's gonna bounce off VWAP. Hold up, I need to add VWAP to this. I don't trade on the screen that you're seeing. I actually trade on this, but my capture card won't capture my laptop screen. It'll only capture the external monitors. So basically, like you guys see this, but I'm not trading on this screen. I'm trading on the other screen, but it has the same info and everything. So all right, let's see if we can get a bounce off of 12. Let that work for a little bit longer. I'm gonna change the fonts on this level too so that you can see better. Let's make it bold. There, that's a little better. Bold, 10 font. Okay, commit. There we go. It's a little better, and let's add view up to this. There we go. There's a nice view up. There we go. I normally just use view up. I don't really use the moving averages. I really don't like my charts all cluttered with all kinds of studies and stuff for the most part. Here, let's make this like one font bigger. There we go. It's better. 11. Okay, commit. Boom. All right. So it looks like I kind of missed the bounce on TAOP. It doesn't really seem like there's anything else worth trading right now. Yeah. Does my audio sound fine? I think it does. Audio, yeah. All right. It's definitely on the backside of the move now. It seems like, because it kind of plateaued at 14.5, then had multiple, green candles on the 5 minute that have all failed. They have like big dojis, and then we had this big rejection here, big rejection there, and it's like kind of struggling to recover. But I mean, because I woke up late, I still think I can. I definitely can get a couple dips off of this, but it's just not like ideal. You know, ideally I would have been up in the morning trading through this move, um, like through the main move. You know, like this. But I don't know. I can still make money on it. At least probably just like $100 or something. All right. This is the opportunity right here. Let's pick up 250 shares at 12.3. Okay, I missed it, of course. All right, so I averaged down, so we're in at 12.12. It kind of broke VWAP, which isn't good, but okay, now we're gonna get out here at 12.9. Yeah, so that was pretty much break even. I had to average down. So I was in at 12 point. Okay, let's just pull this up here. So you can see I was in at along these times up. So I bought at 12.3. It flushed down to 11.9 ish. So on that flush, I added at 12.06, then at 12.02. And then so I was in at an average of 12.12, and then I kind of like, so when I'm in that situation and it's like really like weak like that, like I should have held it, I guess, longer up and sold at 12.5, and I could have made like, you know, actually made money on it because I only made $10 on that trade. But you know, when it came up to 12.2, like I'm like, all right, let's just get out here and I can reset because I'm in with now 750 shares instead of 250, and it's like just completely flushed down. So but it did end up giving a big bounce, and I guess thinking back, I should have just sold half, you know, and then I could have just had what would it be, like half of 750 is three. I would have had 375 shares, which I'm more comfortable with. But you know, it's better. I'm still green on that trade, and I didn't lose money, so that's like the key thing. So again, we're just doing some power hour trading here. Um, yeah, and we're up $30 on two trades. That's not really like, it's kind of irrelevant, but haven't traded in about what? I haven't traded since like last Thursday, so it's, you know, I'm just getting my reps in. I'm not trading with too big share size this month because so far I'm up like $1,800 on the month. So this is the last week of the month. I don't want to like push it and give back like half my gains or anything. So just taking some comfortable, you know, trades that aren't too nerve wracking or anything. To just finish the month strong and maybe push that 2,000. At one point this month I was up. I was almost up, like I was up like 3,500, and then I took a $2,000 loss. And then right after that $2,000 loss, I had like a 580 green day, 350 green day. Like I had some good green days after that, but that one loss really kind of messed up my month. I was short 1,000 shares, or not 1,000. I was short only 150 shares, and it just kept going against me. And I was like, it can go against me like, you know, $20 and I'll be comfortable because I know, you know, it's the odds of a small cap running up to like $100 or something is completely fine because I have enough money in my account that even if it does go to $100, I can still manage the risk. Because here's the thing with these penny stocks, you don't ever want to be a bag holder at the top, but if you're short in your bag holding, it's gonna come back down eventually. That's a fact. So like, you know, it's kind of less risky, but still I was kind of playing with fire, and it did pay off for me on some other trades. I had also a, you know, 25 or 2,000 something dollar green day. Then I had another $1,200 green day off these shorts, but that one I like wimped out of it, and I took the loss at the high of day on the short. All right, let's see if TOP will give us another dip. Right now it's kind of bear flagging, which isn't exactly what we want to see right here. Well, actually, no. On the 5 minute, it's first candle to make a new high, but on the 1 minute, it really doesn't look that good. So if this candle right here, if that breaks and makes like a new high, then we can have like a reversal. But if it goes back down on, because let's see, how much time do we have left? We have, yep, the new 5 minute candle is gonna start right now. So if this next 5 minute candle is red, then we're bear flagging, which is a sign of weakness. So let's see. Oh, looks like we might, like it might pull through, hopefully. Because I would rather be trading momentum than trading these dips against the VWAP. Because like the more times it hits VWAP, you know, the more kind of likely we are to break through it and like potentially have a halt going down or something. Although the halt level is at 11.2, so that's pretty unlikely. See if anything else is popping on the scanner. I'm kind of losing interest in TAOP, TGC. See, all these stocks, they have these pops and stuff. You can see, oh here, yeah, I forgot I have to do it on this monitor because that's what you guys see. Like see only 6 million shares of volume, which if we were pre-market right now, that would be a lot. But you know, we're at the very end of the day, so that's really not there's not that much liquidity in that. And you can see on the level 2 how slowly the price action is moving, like how choppy it is compared to like something like TAOP with 95 million shares of volume. Okay, UNE. Right now I'm just looking at my momentum scanner, just kind of seeing what comes up. TGC, no. SSY. Sorry, I keep doing it on the monitor, that my laptop screen that I trade off of, but I'll do it on this so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. RNWK. That doesn't look interesting. I mean, I guess that could be a bounce off VWAP, but you can see like the price isn't even moving. So that's not something I want to trade at all because I'll probably just get chopped out. So yeah, probably just we'll go back to look at TAOP because it's kind of like the only thing that's like moving enough for really me to make any money off of it. Even though it's really at a place right now where I don't like it. But yeah. So we could see if we were looking, remove. If we were looking for like a flat top breakout, I guess that'd be like right here, kind of. Broke here. Okay, well, let's just push this up. Basically, let's just say it's here, and if it breaks over 12.76, then we're interested. Technically, yes, I can take a dip off VWAP, but I'm starting to, after that big flush done here, I'm not as interested done here. Yeah, and because this is a red 5 minute candle now, that's the bear flag. So we're basically just waiting for a big flush down, which is a short. So yeah, taking a dip, you know, off a point where it's like a technically would be a short, you know, is like not, it's like high risk kind of. Which I mean, in This one is having so much volatility. Like it seems like no matter where I kind of buy it down near 12, it'll always have some sort of pop up. But it's just that risk of a big like 50-cent flush that we're starting to look at now. Because coming into power hour, it looks like it's still selling off. You know, it's not like making new highs or something. So because normally during power hour, we'll either see one last surge up into new highs, and then maybe it'll continue a little bit after hours, or we can see like kind of aggressive selling off because it's the end of day and people are covering their like taking their loss and covering their short, because it's the end of the day. And on this one, it seems like we might break this VWAP and have a move down towards the low 11s, 10s maybe. But I guess technically we still can have a move higher. I just don't really. There's so much upside resistance here. I don't really see it. So I'll sit around here for a couple minutes and see if there's any moves that are worth trading. But generally, it seems like we're kind of done. The market's definitely slowed down compared to last week. Yeah, it's just kind of slowed down. So I probably just made like $20 real quick, but I woke up at noon and just to do some after hour trading, because I'm on the West Coast. I mean some power hour trading. So let's just see. We can go to account report. Yeah. So I had $7 commissions, 20. $0.26 in ECN fee, so I just made $20, which is irrelevant. But I guess that hey, that'll buy me a meal today. Yeah, and TAOP we can just broke VWAP, so I think we're gonna call that a wrap. And I'll post some more trades for the rest of the week. I think I got all this studio recording equipment and stuff. So oh no, oh no. There we go. Let's fix the lighting. Yeah. Yep. So I think that's gonna do our trades today in Power Hour. I woke up late today, so I just took two trades real quick. Made $27.50. Like $27.50, which is like will buy my lunch, I guess. And if you like this and you find it helpful, I'm not really so much of a I'm not the best trader in the world or anything. But if you wanna just watch live trading, watch someone else trade. That's like what I like to watch. That's what helped me learn a lot. Then subscribe, like the video, and I'll keep posting things like this every day. It adds some, something else for me to do while I'm trading during the day. So I bought this like recording equipment and stuff. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.